There you go, Greg. Is that the one?
No, but close.
Oh, that's a unique supercharger on there. What is that? That's crazy.
Stock from turbo there. But it's swapped into 12 valve Cummins. It's not a 6.7, it's 5.9 12 valve.
Wow.
But I like how the tires fit.
It's also,
That's sick.
It is. Yeah. Set it by. That's a perfect. It's like what I want. That's what I wanted to buy new.
Yeah.
I just would have pulled the. If I was pulling 6.7, I would have put a 6.4 Hemi in it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But 12 valve's pretty dope. Especially without stack. Oh yeah. Oh for sure.
how far the wheels going.
Yeah. Wow.
Just don't like driving.
Let's go.
You get nailed for a hood stack everywhere.
Yeah.
And no emissions on the 12 valve. Oh yeah.
It's more than a 3-inch drop, right?
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit more though.
Just a little bit? Oh,
Maybe.
okay.
Yeah, oh, we
Yeah, that thing's low. That's aerodynamic, bro. Those are expensive, man.
Yeah. Like $8 grand a piece. Super singles, eh? Not even a dually anymore. Jesus.
Oh my gosh, this bee.
Great mobile.
I can never
There's
sell.
always bees.
It is legal to drive on the road, but legal to sell, no. So I can definitely see you in a
What? Talk to the PD. Would work. The PT more so. That'd be my like to and from work commute.
Save so much money, dude.
No.